Now, business credit. I know that you actually know about business credit too because you work in the merchant cash advance in the past. So tell me, what does it mean to you and as a business? Why is it important?
That's everything. Business credit.
There we
That's
go.
everything. You should work on your credit, and it's extremely important, especially if you want to scale your business, right? Because
Yeah.
I know we talked about figures before, spending X amount to get X amount. So when I talk about spending money in marketing, um, 10 out of 10, not 9 out of 10, but 10 out of 10 is capital being used as a form of credit, line of credit, right? So
Yeah.
I'm not going into the company's bank account and using the funds to buy marketing. I'm using some sort of line of credit, whether
Line of
it's
credit.
from an advertising platform such as
Hmm.
Facebook or um, TikTok or whatever might be the case,
Got it.
or American Express or Dashify or another credit provider that we use in the business.
Yeah, I got it.
So it's everything. I mean, I think developing your business credit and truly understanding not just business but also personal credit is going to put you ahead, and you should take that very seriously, because that is going to be a vital and a key part to your success. Your credit, your personal and business credit.
That's
I
awesome.
agree. Yeah. And it's oftentimes too late that people realize that, right? So where they've already got their business going and they're like, okay, cool, I need a little bit of money. Or if they don't have a business and they're looking for a home or something, cool, I need a little bit of money. And then my 500 credit score is not going to work. Oh, I don't know what to do. Rush, rush, rush.
I got a number that you can call if you need help.
Let's go. Let's go.
I was
You know what?
bringing the marketing back in.
No, no, but that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good because we also want to be able to actually provide different avenues because we help people with business credit, but if we have somebody else that can help with also personal credit, go for it, man.
that,
You have
that,
someone?
that was an absolute joke. I was
No,
referring
no,
as
no. You should have.
Yeah.
no, no, no. Let me finish. Let me finish. I was referring as to a paper call campaign. So you call that phone number, we'll connect you with a credit provider, and then we get paid for the phone call. That's exactly what I was talking
That's
about.
it.
All right,
That's a
so
win-win-win, right?
whoever's listening that wants that lead, you know who can get you the lead.